Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the toFixed method. So what it does, it formats a number using a fixed point notation. So to give you an example, what we need to do is create a function and name it something like financial and pass argument. I'm gonna pass x, and now we're gonna return, and now the number dot parse parse float. It has a object called, method called parse float, and now I'm gonna pass float of the x. Now you can also use parse int if it's not gonna number though. So now next thing is to fixed fixed, and when I do that and pass to, it becomes the financial data, something like that. It doesn't make sense. I'm just giving you a metaphor, okay? And now what we need to do is log it on a console and use the financial and pass something like 123.456, and it will give you the passing your float, because it removes the 5. Here you can also you can see also by what we gonna do, like 0.004. So it will return 0.00 because the last one doesn't matter. So the nearest floating point. So this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.